Welcome to our YouTube video on in-process quality control. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what IPQC means in quality management. Shortly, what is the definition? In-process quality control, or IPQC, is the practice of monitoring and inspecting products during the production process to ensure they meet quality standards. It identifies defects early, allowing corrections before the final product is completed. Think of IPQC like taste testing a dish while cooking. You adjust the seasoning as you go to ensure the final result is perfect. So, why is in-process quality control so important? Because it helps prevent defective products, reduces rework and waste, and maintains consistent quality throughout production. IPQC is key to efficient manufacturing and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.